Okay, so the prices looks like it's starting to kind of recover just a little bit, as you can see. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. That'd be better. So see how it stopped right at that trend assist line, and now you're seeing an increase. So like if it gets back above 8Z 5400, that's bullish. That's bullish. We're probably gonna get up here to the equilibrium price point. Could pull back once it gets there. A little bit hard to tell right now. Momentum wave bands are curved downwards, so that is a bearish signal, but it could completely invalidate that if it breaks through this area and pumps up to the premium price point around 8Z6100 again. And if it gets to 8Z6100 again, you better believe it's about to break that previous all-time high at 6345 and go up to 6400. I'm going to say that again. If we are to break 8Z6100 again, we are more than likely going to continue to run to 8Z7 and possibly even to 7Z1. So we got to watch for 8Z6100. So yeah, that is what we are watching out for. Reina says you never know, it might run up. Yeah, it actually might run up. That's what it's looking like right now. So I do think this area right here is very important. Like if we can actually pass this right here, then we're going up to the equilibrium price. If we can pass that trend assistant line and that equilibrium price, then we're effortlessly going up to 6100. If we hit 6100, we're more than likely going to break the previous all-time high and create new highs. The real question is, after the new highs, where are we going to go? So let's actually look at that. You can find that out by taking that swing high and looking at it by the swing low. Now that is such a short period of time that we're looking at this from, but you can still do it like that. I mean, 8Z7. So 8Z7 is pretty much what we're looking for. Once that happens, that should be the new all-time high. And then after that, we can look around 8Z 8250, and then 8Z 95, and then from there 7Z1. So that's what we're really looking for when it comes to that. Mark 12 says, I have two wallets, 1 trillion and 3 trillion. We see in 12 billion market cap. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Mark 12 says they will pump money from Baby Dogecoin, Shiba are from Dogecoin, Shiba the big ones on Baby Doge. It could be possible. Knuckle Chin says, I bought in 2021 on Hotbit back in the day, holding still 2.7 trillion. That's good. And then we have Metis Chin says, any news about Kraken, my man? No news about Kraken. They posted that one post a little while ago where they're like teasing it, but yeah, nothing new about it yet though. Nothing. Silence Face says big things. Yep, no problem. And then Chad Dominic says, I'm gonna hold my 10 billion shares for 2029 or 2030. That's a long time. That is a very long time. And also, y'all also got to think about it. Some projects aren't going to last that long. Now, Baby Doge, with the following it has, it's a lot of people. I think Baby Doge can last that long. But a lot of projects aren't. And this is absolutely ridiculous. The guy that offed the United Healthcare CEO, they're making a Luigi coin about it now. That's actually crazy. Luigi coin. Off the guy who offed the United Healthcare CEO. Can't make this up. That is crazy. OMG. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Maybe Robinhood list soon. Yeah. I think if Robinhood lists us, we can expect no less than 61. I'm gonna just say it now. Like if Robinhood lists us, that's kind of big. I don't think Robinhood has any coin listed that is below a billion market cap. And to take it a step further, I think it doesn't have any crypto listed below 10 billion market cap. I think. I can't, I'm not 100% sure actually. No, because I think they have. No, they don't have Pepe. They do have Ethereum Classic, which is 4.5 billion. But yeah, they don't have any coin listed that's below 1 billion. So we can say that much. But yeah, look at all this red in the market. This is the best. These are the best times to buy. I'm not going to say this specifically is the best time to buy, but these types of things are the best areas to buy. And if y'all don't know, I think Dog with Hat might be. It could be like the next Dogecoin. I don't know. Possibly. Bonk could be the next Pepe. I'll say that. Definitely some good charts right there. Chad Dominic says, I saw that meme on Phantom. Yep, that was the Luigi one. 6Z2, my target. Possible. Could be possible. I mean, only time will tell. Yes, Pepe listed on Robinhood. So yeah, if Pepe got listed on Robinhood, I think babydoge can too. XRP, nah, I'm good on XRP. Have you seen DNA on Sol? No, I haven't seen that. 2025 years babydoge coin price prediction. 7Z1, possibly 6Z1. The Dream says XRP, babydoge Luna Classic. No to Luna Classic, no to XRP, yes to babydoge. Luna Classic is very volatile, especially with what happened with it. But I mean, the price is always volatile. So good coin to trade. In my personal opinion, bad coin to hold long. Pepe is on Robinhood. Yeah. XRP was listed on Robinhood too. Yeah, XRP is like, I really don't like XRP, honestly. I don't care for it. It's not that I'm like, I don't care for it. How low is babydoge going to go, do you think? That's a good question. So, like I was mentioning before, if you see the price of babydoge rising from here, going up to 6Z1, it's probably going to keep running. But if not, it breaks this Fibonacci at 5150, then what we could end up seeing, I would say the lowest price going back down could possibly be where that discounted price point is, or where that Fibonacci is at 8Z3700 or something like that. But I don't think it's gonna go that low. I don't think the traders are gonna let it do that. If you actually look at it, like the market cap is just so extremely high, I don't think they're gonna really let it drop that low for right now. Dix bro, love your chat. Yep, no problem. Raider Mendoza, shout out to you. That's just a random thought. Robinhood, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kraken, back-to-back listings. Maybe could see some serious numbers. No, that's definitely the truth. Like if we get all those listing back to back to back, those numbers are going to be big. That's going to be some big numbers. Like 7Z1 immediately, like not even a question about it. 7Z1. But then after that, I think we could end up seeing like 7Z like 2, 7Z3, maybe even 7Z5. And just thinking about it, let me go ahead and do some numbers. All right, so we're just gonna run numbers right now. So let me get the calculator in the middle of the screen. All right, so 7Z1, we have 1.6 billion market cap. All right, 7Z2, we have not right. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7Z2, we have 3.2 billion market cap. If we get all those listings, 1, 2, 3, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7Z5 is like 8 billion. If we get all those listings, I think we could reach 7Z5 quick. If we got all those back to back, 8 billion market cap wouldn't be too far fetched. But 8Z2, 8Z3, I mean 7Z2, 7Z3, those are going to be the ones that I'm really paying attention to the most. Reynolds says Baby Doge will go to $1 next year. See, the problem with that is like $1 is impossible because that would put it at 163 quadrillion market cap. But if we migrated, it could be possible, but it can't be possible unless we had a lower supply. So yeah, we would have to have a significantly lower supply for that. Red Mendoza says, I'm thinking 6Z1, I think is what you meant to say. 6Z1 easily. Or 6 zeros easily. Yeah. I mean, that is definitely a possibility with all those listings at that. My only concern is like, are they going to continue to delay it or not? Because I think that they have the possibility to get us listed to all of those. And I think that's might be what they're preparing for. Because if you actually look at it, every single time they start taking money out like that, it's usually for liquidity for exchanges. And they've really been dumping. They've really been dumping on the holders in Baby Doge. Like they've been dumping a lot of Baby Doge. Let's go back. So yeah, they've been dumping a lot of it, and usually that is for a good reason. Usually it is for exchange listings. Like all this was around the time that Binance was listing us. So they had to do that for Binance. I'll be good at 0.01. At 1.0. I mean, hey, 1 cent would be a dream. Yeah, nah. Impossible. The dream says 417 billion, only 3 zeros to go. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to check out Chart Prime, best indicators in the industry. Chart Prime. Check it out. I use it on all my videos. I use it when I'm trading, just without recording. I use it all the time. So yeah, you guys definitely want to check that out. Okay, so yeah, it is looking like we're probably gonna keep going. So look, if this price keeps going, like I said before, if we don't pass that, we're gonna end up continuing to run up past this, and then eventually creating new all-time highs. That's what I'm expecting. All right, you the most chill I've seen. Hey, shout out to you. But yeah, I'm definitely very tired right now. But I'm gonna keep going until we hit 2 hours. It's going to keep going up. Yeah, it actually just might. I do think it's gonna continue to go up. But like I said, like if we just start jumping right here, then no. But if we keep going up, most definitely. That's just a really significant area because like if we go up higher than what we did previously, then that means that it's probably gonna go higher, even higher than what it did previously. So like if we go all the way up here, it's not just gonna hit that area and then stop. It's probably gonna keep running. Would be good. Would I be good with 40 billion? You gotta define what you mean by being good. If being good means you don't have to work anymore, you're gonna need a lot more than 40 billion. You're gonna need a lot more than 40 trillion. But if being good means good enough to buy a Big Mac, yeah, you'll be good. You'll be good with 40 billion if you want to buy a Big Mac. No, but seriously, let's break that down. 40 billion times All right, so at 40 billion at 7Z1, you got $400. That's not correct. That is not correct. Hold up. 40 billion times the current 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you currently have $211. Oh, yeah, that is correct. Okay. So yeah, at 7Z1, you would have $400. At 40 billion, and then 6Z1, you have $4,000. So you would need, I mean, that would still be a good amount. 61, $4,000, especially off of $200 making 4,000. That's nice. But what if you had 400 billion, which would be $2,000? Then your money at 61 would be like, it would be a lot bigger. It'd be like $20,000. So I don't know, just something to think about. Trying to get a little bit more if you want to hold for the long term. I am not selling now. Yeah, no. At this point, if you've been holding this whole time, you might as well keep holding, because if it continues to run up, you're going to be making a lot more than just 150%. Because right now, you're pretty much looking at 150. All right, I'm unmuted. Y'all didn't see that. I just had to. I need a drink of water. That's what I need. I actually emptied my whole water. All right, and just like that, right back to it. Yeah, definitely. I don't want to say definitely don't sell now, but yeah, at this point, if you've been holding the whole time, you might as well keep going with it. Looks like a downtrend. Yeah, it does, but I'm really concerned with this area right here, because if it does get rejected, like let's say it keeps going up from here, right? And it gets rejected right around here, then yeah, you're right. It will be a downtrend a little bit lower down there. But I don't know. We're just going to have to keep watching it and see what happens. But in the grand scheme of things, looking at the daily chart, I mean this is what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at the daily chart, and typically with the daily chart here, with the chart prime indicators, just look at that momentum wave band. Like, it's literally just now starting to curve upwards for this, meaning that it could continue to go up. I think we're gonna have an even larger pump. And yeah, day traders like me might just get burnt and not get the whole pump. But what's really interesting about day trading is after the pump is where day traders really make their money. Like, we really make our money after the pump, because then it's so volatile after the pump. Like, just so much movements. It just makes it a lot easier to make money. Like, if I wasn't streaming, I would have did this trade here, and then I would pretty much be in limbo right now, waiting to see if it drops more. And if it does, then I would wait till it gets here. Then I would buy more, sell around here, and then it would probably keep going up higher, 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 and then it would do another pullback. I'm probably buying again here, and then it would make its way back up. Blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Wait, I think I missed some of the chats. Looks like a downtrend. Can I buy now? That's up to you. 4K is what chat says. The volume is nice. Yep. Chat says, oh, shout out to you, Marcellus. I've been watching you and Baby Doge for years. Hey, shout out to you too. Big shout out to you, New Gaming Chair. It says to the moon. Sky High says, I have Chart Prime, awesome indicators. How do you set up your indicators, by the way? Hey, that's a good question. So I use Market Dynamics Pro and I use Market Oracle Pro. So on the Market Dynamics Pro, that is the discount, equilibrium, and premium price points. This one's pretty simple. I just like to use the premium, discount, and discount zones. You can use predictive ranges, but I just don't like to complicate my trading by too much, because why use predictive ranges when you could just make a Fibonacci retracement yourself? That's pretty much all the predictive ranges does. And as you can see, it's a little bit annoying to have all these different lines. Like, why do you need that when you see the momentum wave band is right where one of the predictive ranges are? And then same thing down here. The Fibonacci and the momentum wave band are right there. And then you can see the discount zones. The predictive range is right where that is. So I like to kind of slim things down here and not have predictive ranges on. So you either use only the predictive ranges or only the premium and discount zones. I use the premium discount zones. And then if you wanted to draw wedges for you, you can have triangle wedges. This is with the Market Dynamics Pro. If you wanted to draw some triangle wedges for you, I don't think there is any triangle wedge for this area. Or you could have it do a broadening wedge for you. So with the broadening wedge, what it's pretty much tracking, the broadening wedge pretty much says, A, it might go all the way down to either this range, but then it will stop there, or it might go all the way up to this range and then it will stop there. And like I said, 8Z7 is going to be where it typically stops. I just don't like the broadening wedge. It's too broad. And it does say it in the name. I don't like having like a huge broad range of things. But yeah, for the Market Dynamics Pro, I would just recommend you only using the premium / discount zones. You don't want to confuse yourself with all this other stuff. It just helps to have just that. And then the Market Oracle Pro, you're gonna want to let me take this off the screen so you can actually see it. So the Market Oracle Pro is the most important one in my personal opinion because it has the momentum wave bands. You want to take it when you first like the default is going to show you candle highlighting. Actually, let me reopen the Market Oracle Pro so I can show you exactly how I set up Market Oracle Pro. Because the other one, all you got to do is turn on the premium discount zones. So you just come over here. I have it in my favorites, so, but you just type Market Oracle Pro Chart Prime. It'll be there for you. And when you first open it, it's going to have nothing set up. All it's going to have is highlighted lines, highlighted candlesticks, which is very annoying. So take the candle highlighting off because it's going to mess you up while you're trading. Turn your momentum wave bands on. That is going to open up momentum wave bands. And then you're going to want to do more than just momentum wave bands. Then you're also going to want to turn on your prime range. And your prime range is going to be like, you always see me having these little lines here. These are just ranges. So it shows where your trade is going to stop and when it's going to start. It's going to show those resistance and pullbacks and like the resistance and supports in like a very short time frame. And then you got your prime trend assistant, which is ultimately in a longer time frame. So when it goes up, it's going to stop right here and it's going to pull back right there. That's pretty much what that's for. And then the prime range, like this, the trend assistant, and then the prime range ones, it'll hit this, and then you'll see a red candlestick pulling back. It'll hit this, you'll see another red candlestick pulling back. It'll hit this, and then it'll do that final pullback where it goes down even further. So that's why I really like using Chart Prime. It's very, very easy to use, and it makes trading just so much easier. That's how I make my money trading. I just use Chart Prime. But yeah, definitely check that out if y'all have not. Oh shit. Let me.
let me go ahead and I think when I was putting it there, I wasn't putting the affiliate link. So if y'all signed up through that link before, I didn't get paid for that. So I just did free promo for them because I wasn't putting the affiliate link there. I was just doing the regular link. But yeah, definitely do it through that affiliate link inside of my description or the one I just put there because it really helps out. It really does. Because I get half of this pretty much. But yeah. Yeah, it does look like we're gonna go up there, but probably gonna end up getting stopped out there. Or it could go all the way up here to the premium price point and then get stopped out. It's gonna hit one of those ranges though, if it keeps running. I don't want to miss any of these chats here. So yeah, I'm all the way up here. I'm way behind. 6K X 12 billion market cap is 72K. Yep. 416 billion strong. When notice says buy, it's 2021 at low prices. 2021 is still holding. Hey, that's good. You've been holding for a while. Mark 12, 1 trillion is 6K now. All right. Reina Florestel, so many paper hands. Yeah. Got you. Okay. All right. And Yella says, how do you verify that you are in the official PancakeSwap website? I got hacked clicking on a website that was similar to PancakeSwap. Oh, wow. So if you're using Trust Wallet on the DEX section of Trust Wallet, it actually has PancakeSwap. So you just click the app inside of Trust Wallet that says PancakeSwap, and I'll pretty much show you here. I'm pretty sure you use Trust Wallet. Well, I don't know if you use Trust Wallet, so let me not say that.